being here in the camp is important because in lecture halls, it can be a little impersonal, just hearing them talk about their programs. But being here, seeing how it works, being with people who actually run the programs, just very instrumental to my learning.
It's one thing to learn in the classroom, to do case studies or hear from speakers, but to be out here to see the impact and the mission of our organizations is a whole nother experience. I think that the in-person, hands-on experiences that we get through this Leadership for Social Good program really gives us a whole eye-opening experience, and I feel so lucky to be a part of it and to be able to make meaningful, impactful change in the world around me.
They bring us new perspectives, and the day at the camp provides them with an immersive learning experience.
And the one word to describe this whole experience is eye-opening.
If I had to think of one word to describe my experience so far, I think I would say empowerment.